How to turn on aim assist in Fortnite. So this will only work if you're currently using a controller on your PC or of course in your console. So first you simply click on your icon here at the top right, then click on settings, click on your controller icon right here, just scroll down till you see the sensitivity tab, then click on use advanced options. Then this will pop up, just simply click on confirm and just scroll down till you see the advanced sensitivity section where you could just simply adjust the percentage here of the aim assist, the precision aim assist strength, and the tracking aim assist strength. So you just simply need to adjust this to your liking. So you could go to the range or practice range and just simply pick what's best for you. But if you want to disable it and still use the advanced settings right here, you just simply need to set this settings to 0. And after that, just simply click on apply and you're good to go. And that's basically it.